Hey guys, here at Omaha Gun Club, gonna test out the, I still don't know what I'm gonna call this version of the frame. Probably the no point, play off of high point, low point, whatever. This is my version of the 3D printed high point frame. Function test, let's see if it actually works. The range doesn't allow videotaping in there, one of their stupid rules, along with no steel cased ammo. So I gotta buy a fucking box of ammo here because all my 9mm steel cased. So yeah, we'll go see how it works. I'll probably just have my phone set on a little cabinet shooting stand thing, and yeah, we'll see how this works. Alright guys, back at home. Low point ended up working out. I think I'm going to go with the no point as a name for this frame. Hopefully the file will be live this weekend. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more shit like this, like and subscribe. Thanks.